What's up traders, my name is Layla and welcome back to another no-nonsense market recap. If you don't already have your seatbelts on, it's time to buckle up because the market was a roller coaster this week and we're breaking it all down right here on Bullish Bear. Let's dive in. So, Monday teased us with a little bit of recovery, but Tuesday, the news broke that China was gonna get tariffed into oblivion and the market got absolutely slammed. On Wednesday, President Trump announced a 90-day tariff pause and the market went absolutely crazy once again. We're talking the S&P 500's best single-day rally since 2008, literally 24 hours after dipping its toes into bear market territory. Talk about mood swings. The White House then dropped an absolute bombshell stating tariff rates for all countries would drop to a friendly 10%, except China, who got slapped with a menacing 125% tariff. Big tech stocks partied like it was 1999. Apple and Tesla led a historic rally with the Magnificent Seven tech titans gaining a mind-blowing 1.5 trillion in market value in a single day. That's trillion with a T, by the way. But just when investors started breathing again, Thursday happened. Chaos erupted faster than you could say trade war. Those Chinese tariffs were not 125% as advertised, but a jaw-dropping 145%. The White House apparently found the extra 20% lying around in a drawer somewhere. This isn't just a little trade spat anymore. We're witnessing a full-blown economic showdown between the US and China, and investors are running for their lives. Every single sector bled red on Thursday, with energy stocks taking the biggest beating as oil prices plunged over 4%. Shocking absolutely nobody, China happens to be the world's biggest crude exporter. Coincidence? I think not. Big bank earnings loom on the horizon and analysts are predicting that profits will be down compared to last year. Next week's financial parade includes JP Morgan, Chase, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, BlackRock, and Bank of America. As Devin Ryan from Citizens Financial Group put it, what happens with these tariffs and ultimately the economy is what's going to drive sentiment in these stocks. Translation, buckle up for more turbulence. CNBC reported that Amazon sellers are likely to pass those juicy tariff costs directly to you, the consumer. Trump's tariffs are poised to jack up prices on Amazon and completely demolish small businesses that are sourcing from China. Enough with the negative news. The good news is that inflation dropped for the first time in 5 years. The CPI report showed prices actually fell 0.1% in March, largely thanks to fuel costs dropping. But don't pop the champagne just yet. In 2019, a dozen eggs cost $1.54. Today, a wallet-crushing $6.23. That's over 300% higher. And despite no bird flu outbreaks, egg prices hit a new high in March. So the chicken conspiracy still continues. So is this tariff and economic roller coaster ever going to end? Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick seems to think so. In a post on X early Thursday, he boldly declared a golden age is coming and the economy would soon be exploding. So we're all collectively on our tippy toes waiting for our economic utopia to arrive. But in the meantime, keep your seatbelt fastened, your emergency fund loaded, and maybe invest in some motion sickness medication. For more updates, tune in next week as we continue tracking the market's every move and subscribe down below for more videos. Until next time, stay disciplined, manage your risk, and remember, bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. See you in the trading room.